Welcome to my channel Exam Guide SD Exam. Hello everyone, welcome back to our YouTube channel. And we said 1 month back that we are going to start KA GKPYQ series. Due to some problems and situations, we can't able to start the time. So now it's time to start as your exams are scheduled in December or January. KA 708 posts and other AA and JE papers are also scheduled in January month only. And so you must prepare and you must know how the KA will ask the questions. So we are going to start from the recent paper which has been conducted by KA, that is OBC, that is backward class welfare department's free coaching exam paper. The exam was held on 15/11/2025. We divided this paper into two parts. Part 1 consists first 50 questions and part 2 will be consisted the next 50 questions. And before starting this PIQ series, and this is our well loved and most viewed content of our YouTube channel, that is KPSC GK PIQ series. After watching this, many students has said and asked us to start the KA GK PIQ series. So we are starting it today. And this is our Telegram channel where you can see all PIQ papers and all book list and KPSC PIQ series list and other calendars, YouTube content and PDF. Everything is available. Please do join. The link for this will be in the description. Okay, let's start the paper, and the analysis of this paper and cutoff will be predicted in the part 2 of the video. We will start with the first question. Consider the following statements regarding Panchayat Raj system in India. See, we have already discussed about this in our MEQA series and also in KPSC PIQ series part 2. We have said that the bag of LTG is the keyword to remember the committees: Balwant Rai Committee, Ashok Mehta Committee, GVK Rao Committee, LM Singhvi, Tungan and Gadgil Committee. Balwant Rai Committee means you should remember 3-tier and democratic decentralization. And here we mentioned already that Balwant Rai Committee has been established in 1957. So here you can see clearly they have given 1958. So this option will be the wrong option. And see here we have written the community development program in 1952. Here they have given the community development was started in 1953. This is also wrong. And we know that the two states which started about the Panchayat Raj system was, first state was Rajasthan, second was Andhra Pradesh. So the second one is the Andhra Pradesh was the second state. It is right option. And Ashok Mehta made 132 recommendations to revise and strengthen. Yes, this is also right statement. And finally, the correct option will be both C and D is the right answer for this first question. And this is already discussed, and we said many times that Panchayat Raj Committee is very important, and the answer has been framed and the question has been framed here, and the answer is very simple for this. And next, you should know that our Earth, this is equator. Here, one low pressure belt. The low pressure belt in the equator, where the trade winds, that easterlies, will come and meet. This is the low pressure belt, and this is known as ITCZ. Importance of this ITCZ: it influences for seasonal changes and winds, climate, etc. And this ITCZ is also known as doldrums. So what is the full form of ITCZ? See, this is the region of tropics. So you must see that T is for tropical. This is the region of tropics, so it is tropical. And what is it? The winds are converging, so converging zone, intertropical convergence zone. And the third question: which of the following rivers of peninsular India have the origin at Amarkand Plateau? See, if see, this is the peninsular region. Here you can see the mountains, and here in the Madhya Pradesh region you can see the Amarkand region where Amarkantak hills are origin. And you can see here the river names and origin, and this is also the content in our Telegram channel. So you can see the river names, and very important names, you know, means the answer can be found and it can be eliminated easily. See, Krishna and here Kaveri. Kaveri is Talakaveri origin, not Amarkantak region, so you can eliminate. Similarly, Krishna and Godavari. Godavari is Mahabaleshwar and Krishna is Triambakeshwar. So here Krishna they have gone, this is also gone. Next Chambal, Betwa and Luni River. Here Luni River you can find from Araval Hills. So this is also wrong. So the correct answer will be Sun, Mahanadi and Narmada. This is the correct options will be this one. Simple elimination technique if you know the origin of the rivers. The next question is which of the following is incorrect? Please note this statement with reference to the boundary between the India and its neighboring countries. Between India and China, it is total mountain boundary as 100% the Himalayan mountains. Between India and river boundary, no, there is a land boundary also, though this is the incorrect statement. Let's check other two options also. Between India and the Pakistan, eastern side is the desert boundary. Yes, correct. The eastern side is desert boundary of the Pakistan, that is Thar Desert. Between India and Sri Lanka is the sea boundary. These are the 4 questions and very simple and very easy doable questions. Paper according to this you can say that these are the easy questions. Next question, the northeastern states connected to the mainland through the narrow corridor is called. We have discussed about this in. We also discussed about this. We also discussed about these things. 1 second. Okay, this is India map. We know that this part here it is West Bengal and this is Sikkim, and here it is the narrow passage, and this is very important thing, a narrow corridor, and this is also known as Siliguri corridor also, and this is also known as chicken snake. What they have asked question you can see. The question they have framed is northeastern states connected with the mainland through a narrow corridor. See, narrow corridor is called Siliguri corridor or chicken snake region. This is direct and simple question. If you have read the geography of India, it is very easy. In the demographic transition, India is the third stage with declining birth rate and low death rate. Consider the main reasons of the states in India. Select the correct codes given below. Okay, see, we must find the reasons of the stage of India. Changing status of the woman, yes, this is right one. Effective family planning is the right one. Increased standard of living, it is also right. Low infant mortality rate, is it also right. According to seeing these reasons, all the reasons are correct for this question. Coming to the 7th question, which one of the following statements is correct about the new agriculture policy of 22 and 23? And this is current affairs based question. See, the right answer for this is very direct and factual questions, that is digitalization in agriculture and marketing and extension services, and this is the right option. Coming to this social forestry, the social forestry is the term apart from the reserved forest and other forests. The social forestry, the simple example I will give, this is the road, and in the city roadside trees are planted, and these extra apart from the other government land or any other spaces will be used. This is known as social forestry, part of the social forestry, and here we will see this, it refers to the forest planted by the people. Yes, this is correct. Social forestry is done on the government land. We should find not correct. No, this is a wrong statement 100%. So this will be the right option. See, when we solve the question, we will know the more things. See, here they have asked which one to find wrong one. 3 statements are right. When you are studying, you should study the options also. The main objective of social forestry is to provide fodder and fuel for the people. Community forestry is part of social forestry. Yes, we got to know 3 points of the social forestry from this MCQ options. That is, it is planted by people. This is analysis and the paper solving, and we got to know the main objective. That is fodder and fuel. Next one is it is part of the community. Community forestry is the part of the social forestry. Okay, next question we will see. Below are some of the mountain ranges mentioned. Identify the mountain range which does not belong to the westward system of our Asia. See, they have given 4 mountains. One is Hindu Kush mountain, and another one is Elbrus and Pontine Terrace and Altan and Naushian. Let's see the location. This is the Asia and the physiography of the Asia. The plateau plains and the mountains have been mentioned here, and this side is the west and this will be the east, and this is the central part. See, they have given 4 mountains and I will mark them. This Elbrus mountain they have given, and Taurus mountains they have given, and Altai mountains I have given, and Hindkush mountains they have given. 4 mountains, and they have which of the following is not a westward side of the Asia. See, these 3 comes in the westward side, and Altai mountains is in the central Asia part. So it is very simple and mapping based question, and don't worry, we will soon going to start the mapping word map and India mapping based short videos in our YouTube channel. Do subscribe, and for this answer, that is Altan and Ocean is the right answer. And coming to the 10th one is you should know the important glaciers, then only you can solve this question. And it is not a tough question also if you know some of the glaciers correctly. And they again how many of the above are correctly matched. So we will see this about Bara Singri and glacier in Sikkim they have given. No, the Bara Singri and Chota Singri. These are of Himachal Pradesh. So option D is also wrong, and Jammu Glacier it is from Sikkim. So first one is they have mismatched this. Coming to this, Pindari Glacier belongs to Uttarakhand, this is right, and Shaft Glacier is Ladakh, it is also right. So the option is only 2 pairs are correct for this question. Coming to the 11th question, which is based on the current affairs question. This is completely current affairs question. See, they have given Gopi Chand Hinduja, and they have asked the correct statement. See, he began his career in the further textile and trading business in Mumbai and Tehran, and this is right one. And Gopi Chand obtained the US citizenship in 1997. See, the Gopi Chand Hinduja not obtained US citizenship, it is UK or British citizenship. So this has become the wrong. And his brother was Paramanand. It is very very wrong because Gopi Chand's father name is Paramanand Hinduja. So the answer for this question will be correct, means only first option is correct and these two are mismatched. And coming to the next 12th question, and this is also a current affairs question. You can see the Rashtriya Vignana Puraskar 2025 in Vignana team category they have asked. See, in our Telegram channel we will be keep updating the current affairs things, and this is also a part of that. See, we have updated the current affairs about the Rashtriya Vignana Puraskar. Please do know about this. This is instituted in 2022, and this is National Level Science Award, and it has 4 categories. One is Vignana Ratna, Vignana Shri, Vignana Yuva, and Vignana Team Award. Vignana Ratna for lifetime contribution, and Shri for recent distinguished contribution, and Vignana Yuva Shanti Swarup for scientist under 45, young scientists like that. And Vignana Team Award is for group innovation in the technology. And this year they have given 36 awards, 24 individual, 1 team. Selection, not more than 36 awards will be given. This year they have given 24 plus 1. And you can see the awards here. Sorry, this might be 23 plus 1 award. And the question was about the Vignana Team Award, that is in agriculture science, that is Team Aroma Mission CSIR. So this will be the answer, and the rest you can read. And the PDF is available in our Telegram channel. There is Aroma Mission CSIR team. Justice Suryakant has been recommended as the 53 CJ. See, if you have not covered current affairs also, by solving only you can know which is the current news for next upcoming exam. See, Justice Suryakant has been recommended to the 53 CJ. Who is the current CJ? Current CJ is B.R. Gawai. He is 52nd. And the 51st was Sanjeev Khanna. 53rd is Suryakant, and we will see some points about the Suryakant justice, where he born and what his career. See that CJI is going to become from November 23. Still not in November 23 is going to take charge as the CJI of India, 53rd CJI of India. And CJI was born in Haryana, and he completed his bachelor degree in law from Maharshi Dayanand University, Rohtak. Started to practice in district court of the Haryana, and then he moved and he becomes the senior advocate in 2001, and he has been appointed as the youngest Advocate General of Haryana. Please do remember this point. And after that, he has become nominated to the NALSA in 2007 and 2011 two times. Please do remember this also. And he also organized and attended national and interval, and he assumed to the office of CJ of High Court of Himachal Pradesh from 5 October 2018, but in 2019-24 May he elevated to the judge position of the Supreme Court. And remember, November 23, 2025 he is going to become CJI, and he will be retired of 9th February 2027, and this is the term of the CJI. And next question, to modernize the Indian arms with the cutting edge technologies in September 2025, India unleashed an ambitious dash year. This is simple and direct question from the current affairs, that is 15-year roadmap. And coming to this, they have asked the incorrect statement related to the David Beckham. David Beckham is the football player, and he has been awarded a knight note by the King's Charles III. And yes, this is correct statement. See, they have gone 4 times and they can manipulate the numbers. So it is wrong statement, and it is only 2 times to remember. And I said you should also read the other options also. Why means this is like a learning for you when you are solving a question. See, David Beckham, 4 points you will learn from this question. First one, he has been awarded the knighthood, and he won 2 times the FA Cup, and he related to football, and he played 3 FIFA World Cup. We may not know, this is correct affair question, means it can be come in your upcoming exams. They can give who is the first British footballer to score goals at 3 FIFA World Cups. You should remember David Beckham. By solving this question only, the correct types of things have been solved. Second statement is wrong, that is only first one, that is B only. Next, coming to the 16th questions, and it is also very important current affair question, and we have also uploaded about this also in our Telegram channel. Go and check. It's simple. The best actor award this year went to, that is Vikrant Messe. Only Vikrant Messe or another actor is there? Please do comment in the comment box the another actor name. And the best actress is the Rani Mukherjee. So after seeing this, we will see best actor and best actress top. Best actor is Vikrant Messe, that is C5. Okay, C5. 2 options are there. Next best actor is Rani Mukherjee, that is second option, B2. C5 and B2, that is the fourth option is the right. Only knowing 2 important things you can go them as the following correctly. And best female playback singer will be Shilpa Rao, and best supporting actress will be Urvashi. Which of the following statement, coming to the 17th question, which of the following statement is correct with respect to Swasth Nari Shakta Parihar Abhiyan? See, this is the very logical thing you should know. When they will give a date, exact date, there might be a chances of manipulating a lot. They can give a launch date by changing the month, or they can give the closing date as the launch date. So please be cautious. If you don't know that, there will be a 90% chance that will be wrong. And we will see, according to this, Swasth Nari Shakta Parivar Abhiyan has been started in 17th September 2025, and the closing date was October 2, 2025, and here they have it has been launched, so this is wrong statement. And Ministry of Women and Child Development with the help of Ministry of Health and Family Welfare has launched this. And we'll see the what are the other things. Women and girls are the beneficiaries. Yes, this is also correct one. Under this skill development, no. This is about the health camps. Nearly 18th health camps have been, and it is for checking the health condition and a checkup health camp, not a insurance type. This is also wrong statement. So we can go with the second one is the only right option. So B only is the correct statement. And this is the direct current affair questions also, and this is also current affair question. This is also current affair question. See, the KA, if it conducts a 100 questions exam, it's mostly focused mainly on factual type questions. In current affairs, they have becoming a pro and deep type questions with statement based they will ask. So if you are preparing for KA, keep updating about the current affair things. They are very fond of asking this. Nearly, I will show you, nearly 20 plus 20 to 30 questions you will find current affairs for 100% sure in this paper. More than 30 also sometimes, because KA is fond of asking current affair questions a lot. See, here only I mentioned the current affair questions, CA. How many current affair questions you can see, and how many static questions. At last we will count and show you what is the important thing about the current affair question for this KE paper. And this is also current affair question, and this is current affair question. Okay, we will see which of the following pairs are wrongly mentioned. Asia Cup. See, in our Telegram channel, we have already mentioned on the date of winning of India only. This question can be framed. So it has been framed. We are working with the quality content and 100% on based on our experience. We are saying, see, these things you must remember. And this is the 9th Asia Cup title and 9 champions title by Team India. We already won 9th Asia Cup title. We have won 9 title champions for India. See, 2023, 25, 2018, 2000. Remember these 5 is important. And man of the tournament given to Abhishek Sharma, and man of the match for Tilak Verma. He is the game changer and he made our India to win. And our captain was Suryakumar Yadav. Okay, these things you know now. We will see. Runner up Sri Lanka. No, it is wrong. We played against the Pakistan, so runner will be the Pakistan. Captain of the India team is not Abhishek Sharma. It is Suryakumar Yadav. And man of the match was Tilak Verma, 100% right. This one. Player of the tournament is not Hardik Pandya. It is Abhishek Sharma. According to this, C is the right option, but they have asked STEM you should see before marking. Wrongly matched, so A, B and D. A, B and D means first option is the right option to particular discussion. Okay, in our Telegram channel we already uploaded the who have won the 67th Rom Magsaysay Award from our India. The Foundation to the Educate Girls has won this award, and the founder is Safina Hussain. You must refrain Safina Hussain. And other winners of the Rahman Magsaysay Award is Shaina Ali from Maldives and Felvino Antino L. Villanueva from Philippines. This can be asked in upcoming exams like match the following also, statement based also, everything. Please keep a look on it. And they have asked the founder. Founder is Safina Hussain. And this is the static question. The old Naga Pratima found in Banavasi belonging to the Kadamba period relates to which of the following religion? And Banavasi and Naga Pratima is stem of this question. See, the Kadamba period starts from 345 CE, nearly 480 CE. And the founder of this Kadamba dynasty is Mayura Sharma or Verma. That is a story why it changed to Sharma to Verma. You can go and search and read. Very interesting to learn about the stories of the history part. And it is the first dynasty of South India who ruled the present Uttar Kannada district, and a very ancient royal family also. And you must know the capital is Banvasi, and it is also called Vaijayantipura or Byzantium. And they followed 2 religions. One is Jainism and Hinduism. And before this, the Buddhist not followed from Kadamba period, but before that in this place, some of the Buddhist related rulers were there. So you can see some Buddhist related things in that place. So the old Naga Pratima found in the Banavasi belonging to the Buddhism religion. Please do remember this, and this is the correct option. And coming to the capital over Banvasi, and the emblem or the logo is a lion. Symbol of the Kadamba dynasty is the lion. Okay, and Simla Pact was signed in 2nd July 1972. In 1971, there was a war. For the liberation of Bangladesh. So there was a peace treaty that is known as Simla Agreement or Simla Pact, and this has been signed by Zulfikar Ali Bhutto from Pakistan and Indira Gandhi PM of India. That time signed this pact, but this has been asked in exam due to Pahalgam terror attack. The Pakistan has suspended the Simla Pact. So this has been asked, and this is also please static part or current affairs part. 100% it will be related to the news only. So you should be 100% attached with the news. And where we can find all this, you can find in our channel also, GK Exam Guide. And another channel I will recommend, that is current affairs, Harendra Gowda, Sir Channel. Here also you can find daily current affairs questions with good pointers and very useful, and you can have his magazines also monthly. It has been uploaded is in his Telegram channel also and our Telegram channel also. These two channels you can follow frequently and keep in touch of the current affairs. And coming to the 23rd question, see, this is simple question. In your childhood or when you are studying the high school, you know, very simple thing. James Watt means sudden. Will remember the steam power, that is steam engine. In science question, see, one if you know, you can solve. James Watt is steam power, you know, steam engine. So fourth option is C. 4 is C. Direct answer we have reached. Second is the right option. Coming to, we will see John Kay is flying shuttle, invention of the flying shuttle, and John Hargreave is invention of the spinning jenny, and Richard Arkwright is the water frame. And this is simple, inventions versus the scientists. And coming to this, who was the Nadir Shah, Napoleon of the Iran? The answer is Nadir Shah. Nadir Shah invaded our India once, and you know this Nadir Shah has defeated the Mughal king, defeated Mughals, that is Mahmud Shah, and took away the Kohinoor diamond. Kohinoor diamond and a peacock throne. You must remember these key pointers about the Nadir Shah. In 1739, he defeated the Mahmud Shah in Battle of Karnal. So Nadir Shah is the Napoleon of Iran. Who was the first political association of modern India? See, you must know the oldest association of the modern India, that the answer will become a Zamindari association. For 100%, why we will see the years. The Zamindari association was founded in 1838 by Dwaraknath Tagore. Dwarkanath Tagore and Rabakant Deb. And coming to the next, we will see the British India Association was founded in 1851 and founded by this Rabakant Deb, was the first president of British India Association in 1851, that is in Calcutta, has founded the British India Association. And coming to the next, East India Association was founded by Dadabhai Nauroji in 1866, that is London. See how much things and how many things you are going to study. And the last one is Pune Sarvajik Sabha, has been established by Ranade, M.G. Ranade, and that too on 1870. See, 1838 is the oldest, and this will be the first political association of modern India. And coming to the 26th question, it is about the Santi Stupa. See, Santi Stupa was built by Ashoka, and Sanchi Stupa is in Bihar. No, the Sanchi is the place is in Madhya Pradesh, that is MP. So this will become wrong, and this is right. During 2nd century BC, Sanchi Stupa was enlarged. Yes, okay. The elaborate gate was built by Sugana Safa, right? So coming to this, what we have found, this question is missing. Correct or wrong thing they have not given. Consider the following. Okay, they have given about the which are the statements are correct. So ACD are correct, and Sanchi is in MP. ACD are the correct statement, and this Sanchi is in Bihar, and it is the wrong statement, and it is in MP. In Bihar we can find Kesariya Stupa. And 27th question, we will see which are the following statements regarding DPSP. We said that DPSP is the very important in last classes also, so we are not going to explain about this thing more. You can go and watch it. When you will benefit? If you are continuously watching our PYQ series for nearly 7 to 8 papers, which we will show continuously in upcoming days, then 100% we will decode the key of the question papers of KE or KPSC. If you watch one video and leave another video, you will not, because in one video we will discuss of the polity questions, and some videos the different questions and different things we are going to explain. So you should be keep to the update. If we upload one video, you should be ready to watch it. See, we said the only word is the extreme statement, so this will become wrong. And political democracy, no, it is related to social and economic. Broader term, we should think about this. So the right one is the GGM to bring a social and economic democracy, and this is right statement. See, this is the very factual and direct question, and this is a type of tough question. If you are not read about the Jats, who was the Jat leader? That is, Jat leader was Gokal Singh. So answer is 28 is also one. It is the Gokal Singh, and who he defeated? He defeated the Aurangzeb in 17th century. He revolted against, not defeated, he revolted against the Mughals. That is Aurangzeb. And this is very important, the Hampi place of the Vijayanagara dynasty. And they have asked which temples are found in Hampi. See, Vriksha Vipaksha temple is found in Hampi. Yes, Kailasnath temple, no, Kailasnath temple is found in Yellow Rock Caves. Built by Krishna I. A rock cut architecture, and the temple built from top to the bottom, not bottom to the top. Hazar Ramaswamy, yes, it is the in Hampi. And this Madhukeshwara temple is related to Banavasi, that Kadamba dynasty. So this is wrong. Only two, that is 1 and 3 is the right answer. See, we will learn about the Vedas first, and this is very important to please read. There are 4 types of Veda. Oldest is the Rig Veda, next is Samveda, Yajurveda, and Atharva Veda. See, all Vedas consist 4 parts: Samhitas, Brahmanas, Aranyaka, and Upanishads. And see, Rig Veda facts is it is the oldest, and it contains 10 mandalas, 1028 Sanskrit hymns. Samaveda is the second Vedic text. It contains song and chants. And Yajurveda is believed to the third Vedic, focused on worship and the rituals. See, Krishna and Shukla, 2 Vedas are, one is black Yajurveda and white Yajurveda. Tharva Veda is the newest and the recent, and the 4th Veda, and it contains the rituals for every day, like learning, marriage, and funeral, and some environmental related terms and ecology here used, and also a magic jadoo. And what is this Sanmita Brahmana and Araka? It is given here. You can go through this. Which Vedic text use Virata and ecology and environment? I have said it is related to the Atharva Veda. Direct question and simple. And what is the reason for the breakout of the Khilafat movement in India? Khilafat movement. When you remember this Khilafat movement, you must remember one Turkey reason, Khalifa. Ottoman Caliphate or Khalifa. After the World War, the Allied powers has won and took this Khalifa from his throne. And this disempowerment of this Khalifa, and he was the leader of Muslims. They have treated him as a supreme head of Islam. So everywhere there was a outbreak. Similarly, in our India also there is an outbreak, that is, it was dissent shown by Indian Muslims towards British on Turkey, and this is 100% correct. And this Khilafat movement has increased the non-cooperation movement participation, but the non-cooperation movement has been collapsed in 1924. In 1922, that is Chauri Chaura incident. You know Chauri Chaura incident, where the people has broke out to the police station and killed many police also. It is Chauri Chaura incident, killing 22 policemen, and the non-cooperation movement halted. In that non-cooperation time only, the Khilafat movement also was on it. Name the US policy which respected China's territorial integrity in 19th century. That is the open door policy. Dara Shikoh belongs to the following which Sufi order? The Dara Shikoh belongs to the Qadri order. And in which battle Raja Martanda Varma defeated the Dutch? He defeated the Raja Martanda Varma in battle of colloquial. Who established Telugu Desam Party in Andhra Pradesh? It is N.T. Ramarao. And this kind of questions, these 4 questions you can see, these are the factual questions. If you know 100% answer, then only you must attempt. If you don't know the answer, if you go to blind guess, 100% you are going to lose marks. And in this backward free coaching class exam, there is no negative marking, so you can mark. If it is having the negative marking, you must think about marking these direct questions. And this is also same. Name the president of South Africa who released Nelson Mandela and put to an end to the apartheid. Is F.M.D. Clark. And see, this type of measure following are very easy and very simple. You must have 100% presence of mind and solve on this. See, they have given in 1745 what happened. What happened in 1745? See, the first thing happened in 1735. That is, first thing in 1745, not 35, sorry. In 1745, the first thing that happened, the capture of the friendship for the English under Burnet was the first thing started. And in 1746, the capture of Madras by the Duplessis. In 1751, capture of Arcot by the Clave, and 1754 recall of Duplessis by the French government. These are the incidents that have happened. According to this, the first option is the right option. During POTA, means Prevention of Terrorism Act, introduced in 2002, and at that time the PM was Atal Bihari Vajpayee. And coming to this Nehru report of 1928, yes, he recommended for the dominion status and 19 fundamental rights, responsible government, and he never expected to about the separate electoral for minorities and depressed class. So the answer will be for this question is second one, is the not the recommended by the Nehru report. And 40 questions we will see. The British remained as the perpetual foreigners in India. 100% true, and this is correct statement. Some foreign conquers India home. 100% they have made the India home. But is there any link? I think there is no linking statement about this, and it is not a correct reason also. So the option will be 4, that assertion and reason are correct, but R does not explain about the first statement, that is assertion. Okay, and this is the chronology order, and this is the favorite question of KPSC also and K also. So you should know the events of in the modern India, 100% correct with the dates and at least month and year. See, the August offer, you know that is it is 1940. Pune Pact is 1932, and Lund it is also 1932, and Communal Law 1932. So see, like this means how we will solve. So you must know the at least a month. See, the Pune Pact has been signed in the September month, and the third round it is in November to December month. Communal Award in the August month. See, you can solve this question now. First August, next September, next November, December, last is August offer. That is A is last. When you know it is last, 2 options eliminated, and when you go to the Communal Award is the first option, and coming to next is the Pune Pact, and then it is completely solved. That is DBCA is the right option. And match the following with the correct answer from the codes given below. See this question related to the discoveries, not discoveries, about the books written by the freedom struggle fighters. See, my experiment, Truth and Hints and Key Health, Mahatma Gandhi, Discovery of India, Jawaharlal Nehru, it has been asked, the Indian struggle by Subhash Chandra Bose, and India divided, India means freedom from Rajendra Prasad. See, the term India is common here, and they have asked these 4 only because these will confuse you if you have not read recently. How to remember? We will give a hint. See, Subhash Chandra Bose is a struggle who has founded the INA, Indian National Army, and continuously struggle is Subhash Chandra Bose, so A is 3. And Abul Kalam Azad, he has written the book called India Wins Freedom. And Rajendra Prasad has written the book India Divided. And the Jawaharlal Nehru has written the book called Wither India. According to matching these questions, the third option will be a right option. And coming to the 43rd question, it is statement conclusion. Uses of plastic waste should be banned to reduce, yes, to reduce, not eliminate completely, to reduce. So this statement is correct. If they have given usage of plastic bags should be banned to eliminate vulnerable, complete elimination, no, not like that. Other factors also same. Conclude plastic was converted, yes, 100%. This is true. Will eliminate. See, they have given eliminate. So this is extreme and this is wrong. So only one follows is the right option. Okay, now we have completed the 43 questions, and now the remaining 7 questions will be related to the general mental ability questions, and this is the very easy scoring paper considering general mental ability if you are good at mathematics and calculations. And 100% sure questions, if you find the answer only, you attend the question and mark the question in your OMR. If you are not finding the answer, don't take a blind guess in case of mathematics. Consider the following data about the number of the casualties in flight A and B. Okay, number of casualties flight B is what percent lesser than the casualties of in 2020. Okay, 2020 means, okay, A will be 200 and B will be 150. Okay, and they have what percent less means difference you should take is 50, and comparing to the A, they have, okay, 200 into 100. This will give you a 25% answer. Okay, and the answer is 25%. And coming to this question, in how many ways can 6 girls and 4 boys can sit in a row? No 2 boys are together. See, 6 girls and 4 boys to be seated, and no 2 boys are together means, okay, there are 6 girls means that 6 girls can be arranged in 6 factorial, that is 6 5 4 3 2 1. Okay, 6 5 is 30, 30 to 24, 30 into 24 is 720. Similarly, after we can see no 2 boys are, okay, we will see in a row G G G G. Three, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, see here the boys can sit anywhere here because there are 7 gaps, because no 2 boys are together. Okay, 7 gaps, so we will take 7p, and how many boys are there? 4. Okay, 7p 4 means 7 factorial divided by 7 minus 4 factorial. So 7 4 5 6 5 4, this is 3 factorial, and here 3 factorial cancels, 7 6 to 42, and it will become 840. Okay, simple things, we must multiply this, total ways will be this much, and the final answer will be 6,04,800. The answer will be 6,04,800. Simple. I hope you understood about this question. Coming to this 47th question and 48, we will move to 46th question. Next, 47th question, you can see it is related to the number series. See, 3 plus how much they have done? 3, 7, 13, 21. See, 3 plus 4 they have given 7. 7 plus 6 means 13. 13 plus 8 means 21. Similarly, 21 plus 10 will be 31. So answer is simple. The 31 is the right option. How many such letters are there in the word pencil if they are arranged descending order alphabetically? Descending order means, descending means, see this they have given descending order, they have asked, not the ascending order. And ascending means 1 2 3 4 like that. Reverse they have asked. Okay, from the larger one you must see P L I E C. See, this is the descending order. Here you can see how many are similar. Only one pair, that is 1 is P. So the answer will be 1 only. Okay, now we will solve this question. That one minute. Okay, 5.678 raised to x is equal to 0.5678 raised to y is equal to 10 raised to. Very easy question, but very complicated if you don't know the trick to solve this. See, these questions you must equate the first term to the third term and second term to the third term, and follow this. First we will see 5.678x is equal to 10 raised to z. So we will carry forward this to this side, and this will become 10 by x. Similarly, 0.5678y 10z. Similarly, we are equating this to this, and 0.5678 is equal to 10 raised to z divided by y. And when we will convert this 5.678 divided by 10 is equal to 10 raised to z by y, it will become 5.678 is equal to 10 raised to zy into 10. This is power 1, means 10 raised to zy plus 1. See, this is 5.678 10 raised to equated, so we must equating this 1 and this one to, we will equate this to zy plus 1, and this will be cancelled, and we are equating the powers. Z by x is equal to z by y plus 1. When bases are same, we can equate the powers. The LCM and solve this question. Zy minus zx minus xy divided by xy is equal to 0, and zy minus zx minus xy is equal to 0. See, zy minus zx minus xy. Zy minus zx minus xy is equal to 0. Divide this by xyz. When we divide xyz, it will become 1 by x minus 1 by y minus 1 by z is equal to 0. And this is the right answer. This is a quite easy question if you understand, otherwise you can skip. And coming to this 49th question about the arrangements in the circle. They have given 6 boys and 6 girls. Total how many students then? It is 12 total, 6 plus 6. So 6 plus 6, 12. So remember, when they have given circle, the number of ways of probability of making them to sit in the circle is n minus 1 factorial. This is it. So n minus 1 factorial, here in this case 12 minus 1, that is 11 factorial total ways. But the condition is all girls are together when they are seated in the circle. All 6 girls are seated together in the circle. Another 6 boys are there. 6 boys are there. Simple. Here you can see these 6 girls are seated together with the another how many probabilities are there that are related to, here another 6 gaps are there found in a circle. Similarly you can 6 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. Here all 6 girls are seated completely together. And another arrangement is related to the 6 boys are seated. So these can be altered in another 6 ways, that is 6 factorial. Why we took 6, another 6? We know in circle if it is becomes 7 total. So n minus 1, it is also 6 factorial. So 6 factorial, 6 into 6 factorial. So this is the answer for this question. This is the trick, n minus 1. Okay, and now this, the watch reads 4:30. See, this is the watch. This is the minute hand. This is the hour hand, and this is the minute hand. They have given if minute hand points at east, this is east they have given, and this will be become automatically west. And if east is this side and west is this side, this will become north, and this will become south. So according to this, this is the north east direction. So 50th answer will be in the northeast direction. And this is all about the 50 questions of the OBC free coaching exam, which has been conducted on 15/11. If you like this series very much, and if you hoping to see another 50 questions soon, please do share, like, and comment the things which you want us to start in our YouTube channel and which content you need the most. If you have not watched our GK MEQA series, you can go see. First question we discussed about Panchayati committees as also discussed. If you watched this just 3 minutes video, could have correctly marked the answer. If you have not watched this recent or Karnataka Ratna award is also, it is also probable question in upcoming exams in KPSC or KS for 100%. Please do watch. And this is about our Telegram channel at GK Exam Guide. The link will be given in our description. Please go and subscribe and share with the others also. They can benefit with the all PYQ papers at one place. And when another 50 questions video will be uploaded, once this video reaches 1k plus views and 50 plus likes, the next part 2 will be uploaded. And similarly 7 or 8 posts application date has been extended to 25/11/2025. And for recruitment news also, you can join our Telegram channel. All the links and the last dates and notifications are being uploaded. And we are thinking that your 708 posts exam will be in January first week, probable chance. So before that, we are thinking to solve minimum 5 to 6 recent KA paper analysis. Similarly, what we have done today, by this weekend, I hope you will reach 1K plus views, and you will get another 50 questions, and one paper will be over, and another paper will be done VO paper and PSI paper also, because we need some different and difficult questions also to solve, because the year by year the question level has been increasing. And another questions of FDA, SDA, and another free coaching exams which conducted by KA, and this will help you. Not only solving, we will provide a PDF with key answers and some hints in coming days. So please do subscribe our channel and share and like and comment. Thank you.